In this video, you'll learn how to buy a domain on Cloudflare. By following these steps, you'll successfully register a new domain for your online presence. Start by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Cloudflare. This will take you to the account homepage. If you are already signed in, you should see an overview of your account. If not, you may need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are on the account home screen, locate and click on the option labeled Account Home. This is typically found on the left sidebar of the interface. This action will redirect you to a page that summarizes your account details and services. Next, look for the section labeled Domains on the left navigation menu. Click on this option to access the domain management area. You will now see an overview of any domains you currently own, along with options to buy new domains. After that, find and click on the button that says Overview. This will lead you to a more detailed view of your current domain status and related options. Here you can manage settings for existing domains or initiate the purchase of a new one. Now click on the button labeled Buy Domain. This option is available within the Overview section and will allow you to start the domain registration process. A new page will open where you can search for available domains. Next, click on the link that says Domain Purchase. This will take you to the purchase screen where you can enter the domain name you wish to buy. Ensure the domain name you choose aligns with your brand and is easy for users to remember. Type in the domain name you want in the provided input field. Be mindful of the domain extension you desire, such as .com, .net, or others. After entering your preferred domain name, check its availability. Once you have selected a domain name, click on the button labeled Confirm. This step is crucial, as it will finalize your choice and proceed to the next stage of the purchase process. Wait for the confirmation message to appear indicating that your domain is available. Next, you will see a prompt that says confirming pricing with the registry. This indicates that Cloudflare is verifying the domain's pricing before you proceed to checkout. This process may take a few moments. Now click on the option that says complete your registration. This action will finalize your domain purchase. Ensure that you review the pricing and terms before completing the transaction, as this will confirm your commitment to the purchase. After completing these steps, you will have successfully purchased a domain on Cloudflare. If you would like to try this process yourself, the link is available in the description and pinned comment below. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.